Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Nissan Titan door panel. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a plastic trim removal tool to prevent scratching, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a small flathead screwdriver. Having a magnetic tray or a small container for all the screws you remove is also a great idea. This helps keep everything organized and ensures no small parts go missing during the process. Safety first, so take your time. Next, we'll begin disconnecting the various fasteners. Start by gently prying up the window switch panel using your plastic trim removal tool. Once it's loose, carefully disconnect the electrical connectors underneath. Then, locate and remove all visible Phillips head screws. There's usually one screw behind the door handle trim and another one or two inside the armrest pocket. Keep these screws separate and organized for easy reassembly later on. Now that the screws are out, it's time to release the main door panel clips. Starting from the bottom edge, use your plastic trim removal tool to gently pry the panel away from the door frame. You'll hear distinct popping sounds as the plastic clips release. Work your way around the entire perimeter of the door panel, applying even pressure. Be patient and avoid excessive force to prevent breaking any of the clips or damaging the panel itself. With all the clips released, gently lift the entire door panel straight up and away from the door frame. Be mindful of any remaining electrical connectors for speakers or lights and the door handle cables. Carefully disconnect these before fully removing the panel. Take a moment to observe how everything is connected. This will make reinstallation much smoother. When putting it back, reverse these steps, ensuring all clips align and screws are tightened securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.